Intelligent Buildings' core services are assessments, where we help baseline the technology in buildings and help clients know what they can do with it. We provide strategic advice, where we provide either strategy or design work or a guide on how to assemble the pieces of the technology to achieve their goals. And we also manage technology for them to reduce risk, to connect other services, and to make sure their systems are resilient.
We have a suite of services, assessment, advisory, and our 24/7 managed service we call IntelliNet. And they were designed with the owner in mind. And by that I mean is, as an owner, there's different stages that you have when you own a piece of real estate. And we are there from the very beginning till 50 years after the building is running. So we have a unique perspective in that we can understand what is in the building, we can advise on what to do within that building, the CRE tech, and then we're there in the long run to make sure the data that's in the building can help optimize its operations.